Good morning everyone. I am Bhumika Kumari Gupta of grade 10 and I am going to speak about eradication of leprosy and what does leprosy mean. Leprosy is a contagious disease that affects the skin, mucous membranes and nerves, causing discoloration and lumps on the skin and in severe cases disfigurement and deformities. Leprosy is caused by a slow growing type of bacteria called Mycobacterium. Leprosy is also known as Hansen's disease. World Leprosy Day is observed on the last of January each year. Established in 1954 of French philanthropist Raoul Follerio. It aims to raise awareness about leprosy and teach people about this ancient disease and that it is easy to cure today. While rare in the United States, many people around the world continue to suffer from this curable disease due to lack of access to basic medical care and continued stigma surrounding the illness. Eradication of leprosy means elimination of leprosy from world. In 2016, WHO launched a program called the Global Leprosy Strategy 2016 to 2020 to make world leprosy free. India is currently running one of the largest leprosy eradication program in the world. The National Leprosy Eradication Program despite this 1,20,000 to 1,30,000 new cases of leprosy are reported every year in India. This is 58.8% of the global total of new cases. Now let us see the situation on it.
This is Shreya. Shreya has leprosy. Let us see how this impacts a person in their daily life. Leprosy can cause skin irritation and discolored patches.
My skin is very red and very itchy. It's very splotchy. I wonder what's happening. What is this big wound here? It's numb. I'm not able to feel anything on there. I should get this checked by a doctor.
Leprosy can also cause blindness.
I'm not able to read anything. Everything is very blurry. I should get my eyes checked soon. Oh, what's the time? I can't see the time. It's very blurry. I'm not able to make it out.
Leprosy can also cause weakness.
I feel very weak. I don't even have energy to do things that I've already done before.
As we have seen the situation, we can follow a few precautionary methods against leprosy. The best way to prevent the spread of leprosy is the early diagnosis of infected individuals. Avoiding the contact with nasal secretions and other secretions from the infected is the most effective way. The people who live with infected individuals are 8 times likely to get infected. The people who come in contact with the infected individuals are recommended immediate and annual examinations until 5 years after their last contact with the infected. I would like to encourage others to spread more information about leprosy. This could be done in many ways. Firstly, I would like to write many blogs so people all over the world can read it and get information about leprosy. Secondly, I would use social media as a platform and motivate others to help the people who are suffering from leprosy by donating them money or donating the institutions who take care of these persons. Thank you.